Le respect de la nature. Pierre visite le parc avec ses parents le samedi. Il voit des papiers dans le parc. Il dit « Papa, viens ramasser ces papiers pour protéger la nature. » Il les ramasse et les met dans la poubelle la plus proche. Ses parents touchent les fleurs. Ces fleurs semblent danser pour répondre à leurs caresses. Ces fleurs semblent avoir des sentiments. Elles sont aussi plus belles. Pierre apprend que protéger la nature, c'est aimer la vie.
Click the link below to access the complete PDF, featuring all the videos, quizzes, and essential vocabulary you need. Get your copy now, and start learning faster and smarter. Respect for nature. Pierre visits the park with his parents on Saturday. He sees papers on the ground in the park. He says, "Dad, come and pick up these papers to protect nature." He picks them up and puts them in the nearest trash bin. His parents touch the flowers. The flowers seem to dance in response to their touch. The flowers seem to have feelings. They also look more beautiful.